I'm trying to make you my bottom bitch. Malia, let me tell you something, Malia. Can I tell you something, baby? None of y'all hoes is on my level. And that's the idea. The idea is to take the average bitch and make her powerful. I want the average woman. What are you doing? You doing your own thing? Or is it 3? If you do your own thing, then I'm out of balance. Right? So why are you doing that? No. Always the left eye. The left eye represents your vagina, motherfucker. Big purr. Brr. Brr. That's what I made that for. It's a purr. Brr. That's a purr. Big purr. Brr. Brr. See? It's all in the program. It's all cat shit. Right? What do you believe? Absolutely behind my motherfucking bottom bitch. Now, Malia is not 100% my bottom bitch. Because she's an average bitch you meet at Walmart. All of these bitches are. These are niggas that work at Best Buy. This nigga probably work at the tire shop. This nigga probably work at a barber, whatever. Nigga, the average person, I'll turn them into kings and queens. You know why? Because I'm a god. That's all I can do. All I can do is project who I am. And what you're watching here, the order, the structure, is something beyond your time. It's something straight out of a book. You think I'm crazy, but it's history repeating itself. Get used to this. The ancients are here. Ancient shit is here. Get out of this white man's mind already. All you know is what they taught you. You've been programmed since the day you were born. They gave you your name. They gave you a book. They told you A, B, C, red, white, blue, and you just believed it. Then they let you loose at a certain age, and now you feel like you have your own mind, that you're making your own decisions, don't you? That's how silly you are. That's what makes you still sleeping slaves. You don't realize you're still running off the program they made you. You were made, nigga. When you first came here, you were made. They gave you a name, a number. They sat you in school and programmed you. You're a program. You don't have your own identity. You have the identity someone gave you. And you think that's you walking around. You talking like, man, my name is da-da-da-da-da. And I'm the, you just, your mind caught on to what they gave you, and they gave you the controls. And you think like, oh, I'm making my own decisions. A nigga made the bike, put you on the bike, taught you how to pedal, took you off the training wheels, and now you riding on your own. And you like, yeah, I'm doing my own thing. I'm riding, nigga. I'm making up my own mind. This is my mind. This is my bike. Look at me. And the people in power, that's exactly what that's the point. That's the point, to make you feel like you're thinking for yourself, to make you feel like you're doing it on your own. But you're not. You're just pedaling a bike that already was pedaling. Nigga, when you came into this world, somebody gave you your name. You just believed all that shit. You made that your reality. And you never, and then now some of you, after many lifetimes, are starting to question certain things that don't make sense, that you've been doing repetitively, that don't make sense. Like buying a house. Well, that don't make sense. If I buy the house, I still have to pay taxes. I bought this house $500,000. It's mine. If I buy a shirt, this is mine. Right? This shirt is mine. I bought that. I paid the taxes once, the sell taxes. This is mine. I could take this one. It's mine. But if you tell me that every year I have to give you 2 cents, every year I have to give you 2 cents after I already paid I paid it off. It's mine. But now you say I have to give you 2 cents. And if I don't give you those 2 cents, you're going to take this away from me? So if I pay this house for $500,000 and I don't pay the taxes, the land taxes or whatever, right? You're going to seize my house. Well, don't that mean you renting that motherfucker? Don't that mean it's rent? And your rent went down when you bought it off. Because now all you got to do is pay land taxes. No, nigga. That's your rent. My rent is only this amount now for this house. Y'all niggas it's very simple. You never own anything. It's all about what you can occupy. It's all about what you can occupy. Yeah?
That's the thing. That's great.
What was I saying?
We don't really own anything.
Oh, yeah. The whole system is all, you've been given a program. You think that you are who you are, but you're not. You don't know who the fuck you are, and you don't know who you are outside of who they told you you are. And that's what you're afraid of. And that's what you're holding on to. The fact that you don't know who you are outside of who fucking people told you you are. You don't know who you are outside the Bible. You don't know who you are outside the Quran. And you're afraid of that. And you'll defend that ego. That you'll defend that with all that you are. You'll kill yourself in the process defending a lie. Only to find out you can't die. Quote it. Quote that. I said TM. Ba-do-be-do-be-do. For instance, tell me, how did one come from zero? How did one come from zero? That's the God question.